Wisenbaker Builder Services is a true American success story. Beginning in 1970 as Wisenbaker Carpet, the company provided carpet installation services to builders in the Houston area. Our founder, John Wisenbaker Sr., established the company based on the uncompromising business principles of integrity and reliability, along with having the right attitude. For over 50 years, our business has experienced sustained growth by adding new products and expanding into new markets throughout Texas. Over that same time, Wisenbaker has weathered several national economic downturns while still managing to increase market share. Today, Wisenbaker Builder Services is a global direct source supplier to the Texas residential new construction market. Our target customers are local, regional, and nationally based production builders. Our scope of products includes cabinets, countertops, flooring, window coverings, and a wide variety of sinks. With operations in all major Texas housing markets, we also have offices in Asia and Brazil, which support our global product sourcing activities. Our original guiding business principles of attitude, integrity, and reliability have never changed. Today, we're a company that's definitely not standing still. We constantly explore new opportunities and promote a continuous process improvement culture. We're committed to controlled growth and reinvesting in people and the tools they need to be successful. And finally, we're a company where people work together and are the real engine of change. The Wisenbaker business model is focused on helping the builder accomplish three key objectives, namely, optimizing profitability per home, improving construction cycle time, and managing business risks. We achieve this through the implementation of what we call the Wisenbaker Edge. Within this proprietary management system, we use actionable market intelligence to help the builder manage inherent risks and improve decision-making while developing interior finish products that meet high-performance standards. Viable upgrade product offerings are positioned to add to the profitability of each home and are designed to support the full-service buyer experience we provide through our company-owned and operated design centers. Our commitment to real-time product availability, lean manufacturing, along with our industry-leading cycle time accelerator program all positively impact the builder's construction time. Over the years, the Wisenbaker Edge has proven to be an effective method of creating operational consistency across all markets. Throughout the years, we've launched several supporting businesses, including PBA Stones, a Brazil-based stone mining and slab production company, and American Vintage Group, a global sourcing company. The success story of Wisenbaker Builder Services continues to be written. Geographic expansion plans are constantly being evaluated, as well as the addition of new product categories. Through our close working relationships with builders across Texas, Wisenbaker Builder Services continues to provide a level of product integrity and reliability that the builder and homebuyer truly deserve. In the end, it's what we call the science of service. To learn more about our company's products and services, please visit us at wbs.com.